Today we are going to study what is highest common factor of two or more whole numbers. It is denoted by the short notation of HCF. So let us read the definition first. It is said that HCF of two or more whole numbers is the greatest whole number that is a factor of both or all the numbers. So when we are finding for two numbers, it should be a factor of both the numbers and it should be the greatest factor of these two numbers. If we are finding for more whole numbers, then let us say HCF of three whole numbers will be the factor of the three numbers and it should be the greatest factor of those three numbers. So let us take an example. We have to find out HCF of 18 and 24. So HCF of 18 and 24, we can write the factors of 18 as 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Similarly, we can write the factors of 24 as 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. So what are the common factors? As we can see, the common factors are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Now because we are talking about the highest common factor, so HCF will be 6. So this is one of the method of finding HCF. Now let us look at the second method. Second method says that here the steps are look for a prime factor and that can divide both. So we are writing 18 and 24 as 18 comma 24 and we are denoting them here and we have lines over here. So 18 comma 24. So what is that number which can divide both of them? 18 and 24, we know that they are even numbers, so the number that can divide them is 2. So 18 divided by 2, we are writing the quotient as 9 over here. 24 divided by 2, we are writing the quotient as 12 over here. Now again the next step is again look for the prime factor that can divide both. So which number can divide 9 and 12? 2 cannot divide. So what is the number? Because 2 can divide 9. 2 can divide 12 but cannot divide 9. So what is the number that can divide both of them? So it is 3. So 3 when divides 9 it gives us quotient as 3 and when it divides 12 it gives us quotient as 4. Now can you find out again a number which divides both of them? No, we cannot find. So we have to stop here and the factors here, the prime factors here, when multiplied together they will give us the HCF. So HCF will be 2 into 3, that is 6. So now we are finding HCF of 48, 72 and 84. These are the three numbers. So finding by this method we can see that 48, 72, 84 all are even numbers. So we can start dividing by 2 and we are writing the quotients here in the next step. 48 divided by 2, 48 divided by 2, what does it gives us? It gives us 24. As we can see that it gives us 24. So we are writing the quotient here. Similarly 72 divided by 2 it gives us 36. 84 divided by 2 gives us 42. Similarly 24 divided by 24, 36 and 42, can we find a number which can divide all three of them? Yes, this is 2 again. So we have the quotient as 12, 18 and 21 now. Now can we find another prime factor which can divide all three of them, 12, 18 and 21? Now 2 cannot divide them. So what is that number? That is 3. So 3, the quotients we are writing here 4, 6 and 7. Now in the last step, can you find a number which can divide both 3, 4, 6 and 7 together? No, we cannot find. So we have to stop at this stage and the HCF will be 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied 3, that is 12. So we have discussed some methods of finding the HCF of